What's going on, miners? I'm Chump Change XD. Today's video, I want to teach you guys how to mine NEXA. Now, this is a fairly new coin brought to light in June 2022. It's more on the Web3 side of things, a peer-to-peer digital value system. Now, this has been very profitable lately over on Expitron, as far as I can tell anyways. So we're just going to kind of dive into teaching you guys how to mine it in Windows, how to mine it in HiveOS. I'll show you the overclock settings for a bunch of different cards, and then we'll go from there. So let's get into it. All right, so here we are over at NEXA's webpage. Now, if you guys want to read through this, feel free on your own time. I will leave links to all of this stuff down in the description below so you guys can find everything we looked at today. Now, I just want to read one paragraph about NEXA, the financial blockchain. It says, NEXA is the next generation cryptocurrency, which launched on June 21st, 2022, and is a financial blockchain of programmable packetized value. Unlike Bitcoin, which attempts to be a digital gold, or Bitcoin Cash, which attempts to be a digital cash, or Ethereum, which attempts to be the world's computer, NEXA is a new blockchain which includes all the financial primitives to build the new global Web3 economy. And then obviously it goes on to say a whole bunch of other stuff, talks about the creators of NEXA and a fairly launched commodity style coin. So I did notice that it says no ICO occurred, which is pretty nice. Now, an ICO is an initial coin offering. So basically they offer these coins up, or a chunk of coins up, to investors for a low cost to basically get the project going, in hopes that the investor will gain more money when the price obviously rises over time. But it's kind of one of those things that it's really sketchy for a rug pull, basically, because people can just sell all the coins, ruin the project. So ICOs are not good. So it's nice they didn't have that. Now let's get into how to mine this thing. All right, so first you need a wallet. Obviously, we're at gitlab.com/NEXA. Now this is where you get the wallet. So we're going to download the NEXA Windows 64-bit right here. It's the last one in the images. Now, once you download that package right there, you're going to have to come over here and extract all. So right here, obviously, you guys can choose browse and download the wallet into whatever folder you would like, wherever you would like on your system. Now, once you extract all, you can close the extracted folder. You don't need it, but we're going to open up NEXA, then we're going to open up bin, and then NEXA QT. This is going to pop up. It's going to say Windows protect your PC. Click more info and run anyways. Now, if you didn't put it on a specific drive, you can just click use default data directory. If you did, you're going to have to click custom and then click the three dots and choose where it, is going to go, and then click OK. So you don't even need to wait for this to finish syncing. You can just click hide. All right, so now the first thing I suggest you guys do is come over here and go to settings and click encrypt wallet and put a passphrase in. Anything you want, doesn't matter. Just make it over 10 characters, random letters, whatever. Put some weird stuff in there, a number sign, whatever you want to do. Put it in your safe and lock it away, just so you don't lose this wallet. Obviously, there's no keys, right? Like your seed phrase, this acts as your seed phrase. So don't forget it. Don't lose it. Put it somewhere safe. Then once you're done with that, I'm going to click cancel because I already have a NEXA wallet. Then we're going to go to backup wallet. You're going to download the .dat file just to cover your butt in case something happens. You can recover this wallet way easier. Next step, you guys need a miner. So we're going to download WildRig Multi 35.3 beta. Now this again will be down in the description below. We need to click on the third one down, which is WildRig Multi Windows, and it tells you the version. So I clicked on that, downloaded it. It'll say like allow Windows to make changes to this PC, blah, 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 extract the file, and then you will open up to this right here. And you can see NEXA is right here. So we're going to click on that. And then we're going to right click and hit edit. Now, once you get the edit page open, go down to your wallet, come over here, go to file, and go to receiving address. Then you're going to see there's an address here. If you want, you can add a new address by clicking new, label it whatever you want, hit OK, and it will be added to that list of a new wallet, basically, or a new receiving address. What I'm going to do is right click on this, click copy address, go back to this. We're going to highlight right here where the old address was, and we're going to just paste it in there. Control V, that's it. Now, the only other thing that'll be different on yours is looking at this. Mine says NA. I'm from North America, so I chose to put NA back there. I think it was originally EU, and it worked just fine, but I wanted to change it to North America. It just made more sense. So that's what I did. And then you come up here, go file, and click save. Now, I'm not going to save it because actually the other address was my address that I'm actually mining to. So I'm going to click don't save, but obviously you guys want to save it. You can X that out, put the wallet down. And then once I click on this, it will start mining away just like that. So it's going to initialize. Right now I'm recording, so I'm not going to keep this running, but that's what the miner will look like. So then once you're up in mining, you guys come over here to pool.rplant.xyz. I'll leave it down in the description below as well. Right here on the left-hand side, it says NEXA. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to scroll to the right side over here. It's going to say wallet. Put your wallet address in there, and then all of your miner stats will come up right here, which is pretty convenient. It says right now I have immature, almost 1 million coins, what, 900,000 basically. And yeah, I'm not mining because this is the only PC I was mining on. I just want to get a bag of 1 million and see what happens. Also, if you guys would like, you can go to Expatron. You guys can get an account over here and mine directly to that wallet instead of having to deal with the core wallet if you don't want to. That way it just goes right to the exchange and you can just sell it right from there into USDC or whatever you choose. Now, obviously, before you guys start mining, I definitely recommend you download MSI Afterburner if you're using Windows and clock your cards correctly. Now, there is an entire NEXA sheet where you guys can see all of these overclocks that people have taken their time to write these down for you guys, so you guys have an easy time overclocking. I did notice that they still have a bit of tweaking to do here. Like my 3090 actually gets over 30 mega hash and it's under 300 watts like they claim here in this sheet. But either way, this will get you started, and then you guys can go up or down a little bit memory core, you know, minus the voltage, whatever you guys got to do, you can figure that out. All right, so now let's do this in HiveOS. We got to add the wallet before we can actually edit the flight sheet. So come over here, click on wallets. Then what you're going to do is click on the top right, it says add wallet. You're going to type in NEXA and it's going to pop up right there. Click on it. You're going to enter your wallet address. I forgot to mention over on the other page, delete this NEXA and the colon in your wallet address. You don't need that. So just the wallet address, and then I'm going to type in core. You're just going to ignore the source, ignore global, and fetch wallet balance. Just click create. And now we're over here at my man Rondi's flight sheet. As you can see, he named this flight sheet a bunch of poop emojis because it's a poop coin right now, right? That's what we're mining. It's alt season, baby. So he's got NEXA here. He's going to have his wallet, and he named his the Expatron website, which is totally fine. You can name your wallet whatever you want when you're creating it. Then you're going to click Rplant for the pool, and then you're going to choose WildRig Multi. It's for NVIDIA and AMD. And I don't think you have to change anything inside here. You're going to have NEXAPOW for the hash algorithm. So just make sure it says NEXAPOW and then apply changes and update, and you're good to go. Obviously, you got to adjust your clocks and all that stuff, but at least you guys understand how to create the wallet and start the flight sheet inside HiveOS. So what do you guys think? Hopefully this helped some of you guys out getting a new coin that is fairly profitable at this moment. It was very profitable last week or a couple days ago, actually, when I found out about it. I just haven't had time to actually make a video on it. Obviously, I don't want to be the guy to ruin this for everybody else, but at the same time, I want to share with everybody because, you know, that's what it's about. This whole community is about sharing with each other, and I don't like secrets. So that's what I did. Shared it with you guys today. NEXA seemed to be super profitable over on Expatron. Feel free to go check it out. If you guys appreciated this content, please go down there, hit that like button, and please consider subscribing. Also, if you guys haven't seen this video right here, please go check it out, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.